6, clear to land, wind 230 at 16, gust 21, traffic will be holding in position.
Copy that, runway 26, clear to land, American 1622.
Don't sink. Pull up. Terrain. Terrain. Terrain.
Welcome aboard, ladies and gentlemen. So that squawking you're hearing is from the damn cameras. Just plug that one in over there. Hope I didn't lose any. Nope, that one's good. That one's good. Oh, there's the one that's not recording now. There we go. Alright folks, we are at Middletown Airport as you heard. I am going to be taking a short 90-minute flight.
580, crosswind 5.
2000, temperature 27 Celsius, dew point 20, altimeter 3008, density altitude 2000.
Middletown traffic, RB254 Alpha Zulu is taxiing to runway 5. We'll be departing to the northeast, Middletown.
Middletown traffic, 580, downwind 5.
Alaska Dispatch RV, one ugly airplane. I got you in my sights, man.
And Middletown traffic, RV4 Alpha Zulu is going to hold short of runway 5 for landing traffic, Middletown.
Middletown traffic, 580, crosswind 5.
No, she's base. Alright.
RV holding short of Middletown. Take a look at your, I guess it would be 9.
Got you in sight, Dave.
I thought I'd chase you out of here.
Good luck. And Middletown traffic, RV4 Alpha Zulu is going to taxi into position and line up and wait. Middletown.
Middletown, let's go 1346 Rob, it's going to hold short 05 for departing traffic.
traffic 580 is clear of runway 5.
Middletown traffic, RB4 Alpha Zulu is taking off runway 5. We'll see you tomorrow, Dave.
You got it. Middletown, 1346 Bravo, going to take the active, departing 5.
And Middletown traffic, RB4 Alpha Zulu is turning crosswind runway 5. We'll be departing the area of the northeast.
Autopilot. Autopilot mode.
Middletown, left to 46 Bravo, left crosswind 05. Scott, you are out of sight already. You are a fast little bird.
Roger that, man.
Middletown, left to 46 Bravo, left crosswind 05. Going to land on the grass 08.
That mixture. Yeah, there we go.
Approaching altitude.
The RV at Port Huron, Skymaster waiting to depart on 4. We have time to get out in front of you?
You sure do, sir. I'm still about 3 miles out.
Okay, thanks. Port Huron traffic.
Approaching waypoint.
190 Lima, Skymaster departing runway 4, Port Huron departing to the west.
Autopilot mode. Autopilot disconnect.
Yeah, Port Huron traffic, RV4 Alpha Zulu is about 1.5 miles final Port Huron. And there's our 500-foot notifier. Alright, we are in the wide arc, so I am going to drop the flaps all the way out.
Leaving altitude. Approaching waypoint.
And Port Huron traffic, RV4 Alpha Zulu is clear of runway 5, Port Huron.
Alpha Zulu Aviation Express.
Go ahead.
Raj, what's your intentions?
I'm going to be staying for about a week here, doing some camping with some family. I just need to know where to park and get some fuel.
Roger that. You're just parking outside?
If you guys have a hangar, definitely would like to make arrangements for that.
We have a community hangar.
That would be great.
All right, I'm gonna... All right. Pull over by the fuel truck if you don't mind.
Roger that.